Number 1. Which MMA consumable is used extensively for vertical down welding? A. Rutile. B. Cellulosic. C. Low hydrogen. D. Basic. The answer is B. Cellulosic.
Number 2. In MIG-MAG welding, which mode of metal transfer can suffer from lack of fusion? A. Spray. B. Pulse. C. Dip. D. Free flight. Answer is C. Dip. Number 3. The term manual welding is often used when the welder controls A. Arc length. B. Wire speed. C. Travel speed. D. Torch angle. Answer is A. Arc length. Number 4. Which welding process is restricted in its welding position? A. MMA. B. TIG. CSAW. D. MIG-MAG. Answer is CSAW. Number 5. What do the first two numbers on an MMA electrode represent? A. Impact value. B. Recovery rate. C. Tensile strength. D. Welding position. Answer is C. Tensile strength. Number 6. What is the purpose of the copper coating on steel mag welding wire? A. Corrosion resistance, electrical conductivity, lubrication. B. Prevent wear, improve appearance, give strength. C. Add alloying elements, improve tensile strength, aid fusion. D. Reduce spatter, improve penetration, reduce porosity. Answer is A. Corrosion resistance, electrical conductivity, lubrication. Number 7. Argon is used with MIG process to weld material? A. Aluminum. B. Stainless steel. C. All materials. D. Steels. Answer is A. Aluminum. Number 8. Wire feed speed in MIG/MAG welding controls? A. Amperage. B. Voltage. C. Spatter. D. Inductance. The answer is A. Amperage. Number 9. TIG welding of aluminium is normally carried out on the following polarity? A. AC. B. DC. Circa DC+. D. Any polarity. The answer is A. AC. Number 10. Which type of power source characteristic is normally used for manual welding? A. Constant voltage. B. Flat characteristic. C. Constant current. D. A motor generator. The answer is C. Constant current.